Gold and silver both continued with the bullish momentum today, achieved 2127.5 levels and $24 levels respectively. So now what to expect today from gold and silver? Yes, those who watched the first update with the Asia and Europe session already would have profited, as I have recommended a buy in silver at around 2380 and for gold at 2121 levels. Now what to expect today with the US session and with the news coming in from US? How to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. If you are joining new to the channel, subscribe and press the bell icon to get the latest updates. Do like, share, and comment. It's a great motivation. Let's start first gold, followed with silver. Watch this. Now, first, let's have a look at the hourly chart. See the rise here, retracement, slight retracement, and again a rise. Now, you can just observe last two candles coming with a double top and almost symmetrical move. Thus, we have to wait for now gold to break below 20, 21, 20 levels, which is going to be a greater support level. This was the resistance, it is going to be the support, and below that 21 15, 21, 14 zone will come into picture. If these two levels are taken, then you can consider that gold is willing to drop and we can look forward to 2108, 2105 levels. This is going to be the target which I'll be looking forward to if gold retraces from the current levels. Stochastic is overbought certainly. MACD is trying to trade with slight divergence and bearishness. RSI is staying overbought here. Coming to 2 on the 2-hour chart, see it has created a step which can be a possible, because see it has formed a good base here. Couple of bullish candle, it has formed a base, and now if it breaks beyond 2128 and 2130 zone, consider that we are looking forward to 2134 and 2142 level. Yes, it can continue with the momentum from here, but this is only applicable as long as gold stays above 2120, because below 2120 it may try to get a pull from the downside where it can try to move towards the 20 period moving average sitting at around 2105. Stochastic overbought. MACD is trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over, but I see that the move is done and possible crossover from here can bring the bears out. RSI is overbought as well. Coming to 3-hour, looking at 3-hour charts, minor retracement and again continuing with the upward journey. We have to wait for it to now break below 2120 levels and then 2115. Below that, certainly we can look forward to 2105, and in fact further lows can be expected. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is trying to converge, it is not yet crossed over, it is just trading bullish. And also on MACD, see the rise is done, a possible conversion from here can lead to slight bearishness and retracement. RSI is overbought. Coming to 4-hour. Now on the 4-hour charts, if you look at slight retracement and this breakout, thus it is important for gold to now trade below 21, 14, 15 levels, which is going to be a critical level for gold to sustain. If it stays below this, certainly this time can look forward to a stronger drop which can take the prices towards 2105, and in fact 2090 levels are possible. Yes, if it stays below 2105, more bearishness can prevail. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is divergent and is trading bullish, looking upwards. RSI is staying overbought here. Coming to now, before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of trading, be a part of my 20, rather this time 30th mentorship batch. 29th batch started yesterday itself. So 30th batch is going to start in first week of April. You can register now, you can enroll now, and if you have any queries, you can reach out to me via Telegram or email. And yes, you can also reach out if you want to join my services. That is my signals channel on Telegram. Trading as per the signals, you can definitely benefit. So do reach out to me for your queries related to this. And those who ask me to recommend a broker which is safe, secure, offers a swap free account with lowest spreads, with easier transfers and withdrawal, and it's a regulated broker which can be traded across the globe, you can find the link in the channel and video description. Now coming to the daily charts, see first of all daily charts, yesterday we have seen it creating the base and it is trying to rise with that. Today it is the second consecutive candle in formation after forming the base. But the point to note here, it is trading outside Bollinger Bands, though it is not mandatory that it has to fall within the zone. But I do expect that it is going to get greater push from the upside, and there should be a resistance which can pull the prices in such that it can show you either a swing where achieving the lows it can bounce back again towards 2110, 2120 zone. But right now it is not showing any such signs, it is staying bullish as of now. Thus we have to first wait for it to break below 2120 and then 2115 levels, below which slight bearishness is going to be seen. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD. Now see, MACD is trading with extreme divergence and bullishness. Probably it should converge, but it is not showing any such sign. RSI is over. Considering this, on the upside, a buying entry is recommended. If you see it staying above 21.28, you can initiate a buying position. Expect 21.34, 21.42 as the next targets. Beyond 21.42, the sky is the limit. It can hit 21.50 as well, or the double top levels at 21.48. On the downside, a selling entry I will recommend is at 2018. Below 2018, you can sell and expect it to move towards 21.14, 21.15 first targets. And then below that, actually, I will be looking forward to 21.05, but there is an intermittent support at around 21.09 levels. So, yes, you have to trail your stop losses, but below 21.15, 21.14 zone, certainly the bearishness will increase and a possibility of 21.05 levels will increase as well. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at. If you look at silver, the rise, the retracement rise, same levels or slightly highs here, $24 levels, proving out to be a greater resistance for silver as of now. And on the downside now 23.80, so $24 levels greater resistance, and now 23.80 is going to be the support level here. So in between 23.80 to 24, we should be cautious of our trades here. Only below 23.80 we can initiate a selling entry, but then also remember the levels earlier used to be a greater resistance, which we talked about since long, which we were following since long, 23.50, 60. Now 23.50 and 23.60 is the zone which is going to be the greatest support for silver. As long as silver stays above 23.50, 60, we should be cautious of a selling entry. Thus, you need to trail your stop losses. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is trying to trade with slight bearishness. RSI is overbought. Coming to 2 now, look at 2-hour charts. It is still staying bullish. It is still delivering higher lows, higher highs. We have to wait for it to break below 23.80 and then 23.60. If these two levels are taken, then we can expect, rather, below 23.50 is where the bears will be seen. So 23.50, 60 is the zone you should watch out for, though you can take a sell and at 23. 20 period moving average is also sitting at now at 2360 levels. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is trading bullish. It is trying to converge. It is not yet crossed over. RSI is staying overbought. Coming to 3 hour. Likewise on the 3 hour chart, see, first of all, bullishness got diminished here. Yes, it is forming higher lows and higher highs as of now. We have to wait for it to break here on the downside. In fact, those who are willing to risk a little can sell here at 2285 levels. But again, it is going to be slight risk here. We have to wait a little further, because see, as long as 2350, 2360 zone is respected, we cannot say that gold has turned bearish. We have to watch out how it behaves at around 2350, 60, and first of all whether it moves towards 2350, 60 or not. So yes, those who are willing to risk a little can sell at 2385 itself. Stochastic is overbought. MACD is in green. It can try to converge. It is not showing any signs of conversion as of now. RSI is overbought. Coming to 4 hour. Now look at 4 hour chart. See, yes, the resistance here, higher lows, higher highs, trying to stay within the box. There is a probability that it can try to move towards this zone. And also look at the divergence of the price from the moving average. Now the 20 period moving average sitting at around 2340 levels. So what it can try to do, it can try to move slowly, wait for the moving average to climb up and achieve the levels before bouncing back again. Stochastic overbought. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought here. Coming to daily. Now look at daily charts. I have told several times, double bottom, and now it is started with the upward journey. Where are the highs of the channel? Highs of the channel are far above at around 2460 levels. Right now, if you look at the movement as well, you will find that silver has created the tail, but it is also, remember, one need to remember that it is outside Bollinger Band, so there can be a push on the downside from here. Also, if you look at the movement, three green candles, then a retracement, then bullish candles, then possibility of a retracement is there. So right now we have to be cautious. You can though sell at around 2385 levels here. Stochastic overbought. MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. RSI is flat. So considering this, now a buying entry at 2405 can be taken. Wait for 2420. Beyond that, I will be looking forward to 2450, 2460 levels. Yes, these are the resistances which I will be looking forward to. If it stays above 2420 levels, then and then only. On the downside, you can sell here at 2385, but then you need to be cautious. There are greater supports coming in as long as 2350, 60 first support zone. This is going to be a greater support zone, and below that 2335. If these two levels are taken, then you can say that silver is turning bearish and we can look forward to a fall. So take your positions accordingly. Trail your stop losses, like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join my mentorship batch webinar series, Signals channel. Reach out to me for any of your queries. The next update tomorrow is going to be before the Europe session. Do watch that as well. And yes, do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Do join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day ahead.